I've been there. I've been through a bank collapse. So let me tell you what these guys with money at Silicon Valley Bank can expect or not expect. The year was 2008, and I was much younger, but I had hundreds of thousands of dollars in a bank called NetBank. Here it is. Suddenly, all the money was gone, or frozen, I should say, because NetBank went out of business, and the FDIC took over. Sound familiar? NetBank was tiny compared to what's going on in California right now. But my hundreds of thousands of dollars suddenly went poof, gone. Couldn't get my money. Thank God I was in a good position where that money didn't hurt me, it didn't change my life, and it didn't impair my ability to feed my family. And Silicon Valley Bank, well, the problem with most of their customers, and they have billions in deposits, is that they're big companies with way more than the FDIC insured 250K. So big companies are in serious grave danger, as in they can't make payroll because their money's gone, it's locked up. We'll see what Monday brings, and we'll see what the FDIC does to step in and maybe save the world, because this crash could be big trouble for the stock market, for business, for tech. But back to my story. NetBank goes under, my money's gone. Shortly thereafter, I start getting letters and emails from the FDIC telling me that my deposit was insured. At the time, I think, the max insurance was $100,000, and I had much more than that. But within 30 to 90 days, I don't remember, it was so long ago, I got a small check, a few $10,000, $20,000 from the FDIC with a notice that I would receive more as assets were liquidated. And I think it took about 8 years, but I did get all my money back eventually, without interest and without any knowledge of when to expect it. Checks would just arrive in the mail about once a year. And I'm thinking it's because that bank had made long-term loans, perhaps on real estate, perhaps business loans, and as the FDIC unwound those and slowly collected payments and slowly liquidated the assets, well, I got my fair share, my percentage. So it took 7, 8, 9 years, I'm not sure. I got my money back eventually, minus interest, and not one person cared that the money I had, it wasn't there for me anymore. So even if you have money in an insured bank, be assured you're not going to get it back quickly.